Welcome to our next tutorial of Mesh2Surface for SOLIDWORKS. I'm using the same part, and again on the top plane I will create my sketch, but before that I will create a cross section. I will just slide the section plane a little bit higher. We'll make it a 30 millimeters offset, and I will press OK. The reason for this is that I just want to show you a bit different shape. I will hide the mesh as I don't need it. We'll take my top plane and we'll start creating my sketch. Again, we're going to use the fit sketch entities. And now what you see is that we introduced color indication of what we are going to do. As you see, the color is green, which means if you brush, it will fit a line. If you switch to arc, then it will be red. This is at least something when you start using it, just to show you what is going to happen when you finish your brushing. I will start, of course, with a line here, and we'll just brush my points, and you see that I got my lines here, and we'll create them here. Normally you should have a strategy to have affiliates, leave them, don't create them now, but leave the software to actually interpolate and create them the way you want. For example, here I have an arc that I will need to fill it later, so I'll just take and mark this to be my arc. Now you know that you can use these modes, and you can always right click and switch from the context menu, but in this case I will not do this. But we introduce a shortcut, which is if you hold the control key and if you move the mouse, you see it becomes blue. The reason for this is so you can just paint, and when you leave, it will actually intersect this. As you can see, this is the way I do this, and I intersect my primitives. Again, if I repeat the same thing over this, it will make it a tangent arc here, and then this is the quick way for you to actually create your intersections and create your sketch in a more effective way. This is quite a time saver, and this is how quickly you can reconstruct your sketch. I will just cancel this now, and we'll restart again my mode, because I want to show something that it's a bit more intelligent and easier to use. We introduce an option which is called auto join, and this option, when it's enabled, when you create your primitives, it automatically will intersect and create a fillet between them. So let's start building our model here. I just paint and extract my line. I will just paint and extract my line, and as you can see, it automatically fit this. At any point you can switch off this automatic join, so you can see your original extracted primitives. But in this case I will continue, and I will just create my arc here. I just painted. As you see, the software automatically connected them. So let's finish our project now. I will just brush here and create my line. We'll just move and interpolate a line here. And as you can see, the software, step by step, it just does the job for you, and you can easily create your sketch in no time. Here I will just brush this, it will create a line, and my sketch is technically ready. Before I finish, I just want to explain a little bit about this radius control. The main idea is that sometimes, because of the scanning, you may get noise, and the software automatically will want to create a fillet. So you can control this. For example, if I say that I want my fillet to be with the minimum 3 millimeters, you see that it creates the fillet only in the areas where the resulting radius will be smaller, actually bigger than the given radius. So if the radius which the software determines is less than this given radius, it will assume that this is a sharp feature, a sharp corner, and will leave them intersected. So if you want to create everything with the sharp corners, we can just put a huge value here, and you see that everything becomes intersected only. Of course, in this case, this is what I need. As you can see, I'm happy now. I just press OK. Everything is created in SOLIDWORKS, and you can continue your modifications here. I hope this is useful. Thank you for watching.